Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer videos with Facebook Watch, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer videos with Facebook Watch, begin by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device or accessing the website on your computer. Log into your Facebook account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Facebook Watch section by selecting the Watch tab from the menu. Browse through the available videos or use the search bar to find a specific video you want. Once you find the video, click on it to open the video player. Next, look for the options menu. Select the option to copy link or share. If you chose copy link, the video link will be saved to your clipboard. Now, open the platform or app where you want to transfer the video. If you're sending it via a messaging app, open the chat with the intended recipient. Paste the video link into the message field by tapping and holding, then selecting Paste. If you prefer to share it on another social media platform, navigate to that app and create a new post. Paste the link in the post creation area. Before submitting, consider adding a brief description to give context to the video. Once everything looks good, go ahead and share the post or send the message. If you want to save the video for later viewing, you can also bookmark it using the Save Video option if available. Review your social media or messaging app to ensure the video link appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully transferred a video from Facebook Watch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.